Connecting the headrest mount and microscope ring to the microscope holder using two screws. Tighten the screws using an L-shaped wrench. Secure the base of the bracket with 4 screws. Install protective limit ring. Mount the microscope stand onto the base. Tighten both knobs. Fix the microscope stand. Adjusting the tension knob at the rear controls the movement and fixation of the rear arm. Adjusting the front tension knob controls the movement and fixation of the forearm. Mount the microscope lens on the microscope ring. Locking knob to fix the lens. Loosen the screws and install the eyepieces. Tighten the screws to secure the eyepieces. The installation method is the same. Put on the eyepiece leather case. Install connectors on the screen. Connecting the trinocular microscope lens and screen. Connect screen power. Use an L-shaped wrench to tighten the connector. Screw the objective lens onto the bottom of the microscope lens. Connect the 56 LED ring light and the power supply. Install the ring light at the bottom of the microscope lens. Tighten the 3 screws securing the ring light. Turn on the ring light switch. Adjust the brightness of the ring light by turning the knob.